Okay, yeah, welcome to the channel. So right now I'm going to show you how to make a desktop microphone from an old headset. Okay, so as you can see, I've already finished up the model right here. I want to use it for Audition, Adobe Audition right here. So I will show you how it works. Very simple. So you have those headsets, connect the red wire. You need a tester, the red wire to these two pins of the jack, and then the negative, mostly the ground to this base. Yeah, so this is my microphone. I'm using an old bulb. I've put a battery for support to give it weight. Just connected the wires up here. It's flexible, so you can use it to talk. Now I've put some sponge inside. I don't have a good sponge, so just put some little sponge. Okay, so let me fix it for you. Now there we go. It's inside the sponge, but I just want it to look sexy, so I'm going to add this. This is from, I don't know, some padlock. Okay. There we go. You see, it looks nice. This is the main mic, and these are just three mics, side mics. They're very powerful. So I will test it and you see. Let's first test it. Let me record. Okay, you're in Adobe Audition. So, okay, I'm recording. Yeah. Let me record, as you can see. What is happening? Wait. Let's stop this whole thing. Oh, my computer is now freezing. I don't know what's wrong with it, but yeah, let me just, I don't know. Okay, let's use this. Set up microphone, no input device. Oh, that's the problem. See, it was out. Now I'm putting it back in. Set up microphone. I think it should recognize. Okay. So, what's wrong? Let's check manage audio devices or recordings. Oh, it's not recognized. Yeah, now it's in. So let's come to set up microphone. So you can see microphone, desktop microphone. Next. Okay, you can you see that? I don't know what is happening to this, but desktop. Okay, next. Okay, you can see. Yeah, the computer did not hear anything. Oh, you see? Ho. Now it's Peter dictates. So let me go back to this one. But this is it. So let me house it properly. I think there's a lot of interference out here. Housing. Oh, we have solved the problem. So I'm housing it, using one on. No, but hope to solve this problem. Okay. Now you can see microphone. Look at it. How does it look? It's okay, right? I think it's okay. I think it's okay. My camera is not clear. Okay, so let's test it again. Desktop microphone. Next. Okay, did you see that? No, I don't think my USB is disturbing, but I think you get the picture, and that's how you do it. Whoa, ta-da! Yeah.